The POCO F7 Pro is expected to launch in March or April 2025, based on recent certification leaks and POCO's usual release schedule. It is anticipated to feature a 6.67-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it a strong contender in the premium mid-range segment. Powering the device will likely be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The camera setup is rumored to include a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, accompanied by ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. Additionally, the device is expected to support 90W fast charging for its 5000 mAh battery, ensuring quick power-ups. With HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15, the POCO F7 Pro is set to deliver an optimized and smooth user experience. Given the recent leaks, an official announcement could be just around the corner, possibly in the coming weeks.